children.
Hello, kids. I am Owl, and today we will talk about computer science, specifically about structured query language, which is a language that helps us manage data. Structured query language is something that allows us to ask questions to databases and get answers. It is like talking to a computer to find out what it has. Let us start our adventure. By a small pond, I met Parrot and Guinea Pig. Parrot was telling how she wanted to find the best seeds in her storage, but she made a mistake and pointed to the wrong ones. Guinea Pig laughed and said that in structured query language, you can specifically ask for the best seeds, like searching on a computer. I explained that it works thanks to special commands that help find only the needed information. At the playground, where Puppy was building something out of sand, I also noticed Rat. They were talking about how they keep track of their toys. Puppy admitted that he did not know how to find all the red toys. Rat explained that he would use a simple command in structured query language to search for only the red toys. I added that such questions are called structured query language queries, and that structured query language allows sorting information by different criteria. By a large oak tree, Ladybug and Bee gathered, wondering how to remove incorrect entries from their notes. I asked them how they would do it in structured query language. Ladybug replied that she would use the delete command to get rid of entries that do not fit. Bee added that you need to be careful to only delete the data that is truly wrong, and it is best to make a backup first. I nodded in agreement, explaining that structured query language indeed allows precise removal, and with careful planning, the data stays organized. I am glad we could explore the world of computer science together and learn about structured query language. Remember, structured query language is a tool that helps us manage data and ask questions to computers with databases. Thank you for being with me, and now I say goodbye. See you next time.